Assalamu alaikum. Today, I'm here to present my topic. The topic of my speech is Pakistan Defense Day. Before starting, let me tell you why there's a word defense in it. In September, our neighbor rival India attacked Lahore. Caught in the desert area of Sindh, they had advanced weapons, tanks and other missiles. We did not have any advanced weapons like India. But still, our soldiers successfully and defended our country. Dasht to dasht, darya bhi na chode humne. Behre zulmat mein dura diye gode humne. Dear friends, Pakistan was not had as a charity. It was not meant to secure an end. It is not meant in a day. Pakistan is the result of Islamic ideology. Its foundation lies two-nation theory of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and the dream of Allama Muhammad Iqbal. And finally, in the undefeatable leadership of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Respected audience, let's aim together. We shall work hard and excel all field of learning warfare, defend our country. Till death, we shall make the flag of Pakistan up, staying in the comedy of nation. Being young Falcon or message to Pakistan Muslim Ummahs. ए वतन तेरी फासलों पे हर एक सन हम लोग अभी जिंदा और बेदार खड़े हैं. Thank you so much.